Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you the daily Tesla report for Wednesday, January 18th, 2023. Before I click on the charts and go through the analysis, I just want to encourage you to please click like and subscribe every time you watch. And if you would, share the content with friends and colleagues. So this is the big picture. I like to look at the long term and work my way in. This channel structure we settled below about 5-6 weeks ago after having tested it. It was an objective following an early October sell signal. I was anticipating quarterly containment through Q1. Didn't happen. We closed below it the week of December 12th and continued south to the next meaningful support on the weekly chart that is presently between 95.29 and 106.99. It was certainly higher a couple of weeks ago when we tested it, and tested it we did. And then last week we actually closed above the high of the low, which is itself a sign of follow-through strength. This is kind of what it looks like on the daily chart, actually. You can see that 105.29 is not correct. That should be 95.29. My apologies, but nonetheless, we're not going to see that anytime soon. And what occurred, about a week and a half ago, after testing that long-term support, is having closed above this classic descending channel top at the base of a move or a descending flag. It's at 113.26 today, part of a channel structure at 113.15 convergence here. We're not going to see that today, but if we did, I'd tell you that it could contain selling through the rest of the week, and from here we can rotate back to 137.23 within a week or two. In fact, 137.23 remains a 1 to 2 week target, and that 150s, 160s I showed on the first chart remains a 2 to 3 week objective above 113 handle support. The 137.23 level actually may be in reach today. This is that long-term trend line I've been mentioning now for a few weeks. And the fact that we closed yesterday above the descending trend line that is presently at 127.69, we may well see 137.23 today. So for the day, in terms of the day trade, holding above 127.69, 137.23 in reach, where profits can be taken, shorts can be set if you're looking into next week. I say that very cautiously because keep in mind, we are still, yes, anticipating this upper area here over the next few weeks. So if we close today above 137.23, I think by the end of next week, we may well reach 158.81 to 166.92, where we could top out not only through February, but even the balance of the first quarter and back to new lows, back to perhaps this structure here over the following month or two of testing this 158.81 to 166.92 area. And once again, this area shown can actually be considered a 1 to 2 week objective if we close today, for instance, above 137.23. All right. Hi, if you enjoy watching our daily Tesla report, you'll love our daily Triple Q and SPY reports. They're presented in the same 5 to 10 minute video format. Our daily SPY and Triple Q analysis provides directional market signals that are correlated with highly specific price support and resistance levels. Whether your trading time horizon is short or longer term, we promise you a distinctive edge in your trading of the SPY and Triple Q. We offer a 5-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So go to wickedstocks.com right now and start receiving your daily SPY and daily Triple Q reports today. Let's take a look at the downside, that if we do break or open below 127.69, 122.63 is in reach. And if we close today below 127.69, 118.87 likely tomorrow, the 113 handle possibly by Friday's close. So a settlement today back below 127.69 does invite selling pressures short term. Now we might actually test 118.87 today if we break 122.63. So this is the sort of aggressive day trader dynamic. Breaking or opening below 127.69, 122.63 is likely, where we could bottom out on an intraday basis back to 127.69. If we break 122.63, this 118.87 channel bottom in reach, where I would anticipate a daily low. I don't expect to see it today, but you never know what tomorrow may bring. If we break this 118.87 structure, we could on an intraday basis test 113.15 to 113.56. This is a solid long entry, short liquidation zone through the rest of the week. This area could actually be bumped up to a 3-star weekly support zone that could actually contain selling through next week. And from here, 137.23 in reach within 1 to 2 weeks, the 150s, 160s within 2 to 3 weeks. But as it is, we've peeled away from this level, this formation at 113.26. This tested some patience here for the better part of a week, and then on Tuesday we gapped higher, and here we go. This has been anticipated. This has been an anticipated objective at 137.23 that may be reached today, and once again this area here over the next few weeks. I guess I could talk the downside that in the event of closing below 113.15. I don't expect to see that today. I don't expect to see that this week or even by the end of next week. But if it does occur, then this 95.29, here I can show it again here, this zone of midterm support, I'll call it, between 95.29 and 106.99 is then expected within 1 to 2 weeks of closing back below 113.15. This area once again able to contain selling through February, and above which the 150s, 160s anticipated over that time horizon, this area here. I think that pretty much rounds it out for Wednesday's Daily Tesla Report. Please click like and subscribe. I'll be back tomorrow with Thursday's Tesla Report. You have a great evening.